Hi friends! While watching this video, is anyone else as confused as I am? Something interesting seems to be happening in the next couple of days. Look at all those birds flying around and chirping like crazy. It's because of the incoming snowfall. We just got a winter storm warning and temperatures are dropping to minus 14 degrees Celsius. Just to clarify, this isn't regular snowfall, it's sleet. And that's actually way more dangerous. Sleet turns into a solid sheet of ice on the ground, so driving or even walking becomes super slippery and risky. We could easily skid or fall.